Could a civilization with real magic actually exist? We usually think of magic as weird hand gestures and mumbling nonsense words to throw fireballs. To a logical mind, it makes zero sense. Apples fall because of gravity, boats float because of buoyancy, and I trip because I'm clumsy. Everything has a reason. But pointing a stick and yelling Avada Kedavra, that defies physics. But let's brainstorm for a second. Imagine a parallel universe where our laws of physics don't exist. Instead of gravity or electromagnetism, the universe is filled with mana. In that world, throwing a fireball isn't a miracle. It's just basic chemistry. We use the laws of physics. They use the laws of magic. Same logic, different operating system. Think about it. A wizard chanting a spell to cast a light spell isn't that different from a coder typing a script to turn on a pixel. To a wizard, I'm the weird one. I pull out a glowing glass rectangle, tap a few runes, and boom, I can see a girl dancing on the other side of the world. To them, that's a high-level succubus summoning ritual. Magic has rituals. Science has protocols. A wizard charges a broom with mana to fly 20 miles. I tap my phone to pay for gas to drive 20 miles. It's just Windows versus Mac. Two different systems that do the exact same thing, but they aren't compatible. If a grand wizard came here, he'd be useless because there's no mana to absorb. He'd just be an old guy in a robe waving a stick. And if we went to their world and started talking about gravity, we'd look like heretics. But here's the kicker. If magic has rules, then magic is science. It's just a science we haven't studied yet. Arthur C. Clarke famously said, "Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic." In the Avengers cartoons, Iron Man beats magic users by building magic dampeners. Why? Because he realized magic is just another form of energy he can hack. In fantasy novels, you don't just get magic, you go to school. Potions class is just chemistry. Alchemy is material science. A wizard apprentice studying for his finals is basically a med student stressing over boards. A level 100 wizard? That's just a guy with a PhD. So Gandalf fighting the Balrog and coming back as Gandalf the White? That was just him getting his doctorate degree. And if Newton or Einstein were born in a magic world, they wouldn't be scientists. They'd be supreme sorcerers. Now, the big question. Who wins in a fight? Magic or tech? Sure, you have a wand and can yell Avada Kedavra, but by the time you finish that sentence, I've already pulled out a Desert Eagle. Sorry, Voldemort, but kinetic energy travels faster than you can speak. You have a cursed sword? Cool. I have a flamethrower. You have a forbidden destruction spell? We have nukes. Ultimately, it's not about which is stronger. It's about how you use the rules of your universe. If a magic civilization survives long enough, they'll end up just like us. They'll invent quantum magic to study the micro-universe. They'll build mana-shielded spaceships to explore the galaxy. Whether you use a rocket or a broomstick, the goal is the same: to reach the stars.